Every young person deserves an opportunity to learn, develop their skills, and build a better future. In Tonga, the apprenticeship program is helping create that opportunity by connecting education with real workplace experience and building stronger pathways into employment. The journey began in March 2024 with a pilot apprenticeship program in cookery within the tourism and hospitality sector. With technical assistance from the International Labour Organization, the program brought together government, training providers, and employers. 21 final-year cookery students from AHOPANILOLO Technical Institute were placed with 8 businesses in Tonga for 32 weeks, combining classroom learning with supervised workplace training. Apprentices also received a wage, supported jointly by government and participating employers. In 2025, the program was extended to service occupations, with results reflecting the same success achieved in 2024. This year, 36 students are taking part in apprenticeship and are placed with 19 private sector employers. The students enrolled in cookery, accommodation services, fashion design, and hairdressing through AHOPANILOLO Technical Institute. Later this year, the program will expand further into construction with the School of Science and Technology of Tonga National University in partnership with employers from the construction sector. The lessons from the last 2 years, together with close partnership between government, training institutions, employers, private sector businesses, and development partners, and consultation with stakeholders, have been key success factors in the implementation of the apprenticeship program.
Ngai weekend e hiwa e ku hawe I New Lodge. Malawa ke o whitutaki we ngahi kakai for all, ngawe whitokoni aki. Get to know ha ngai issue pe palapalema.
O hoki ako ngawe koe ni ke lawai ke te whakaukawai ki ha whakatuha ki pisnisi I he ke osimehe he ako.
Oku ma I he ni koe mba ako ngawe mbai ki pilaika. Pe aku ma fi au pito aku ma mau ngai tau kei ke ngahui o mea toko ni.
The apprenticeship journey continues. Together, let us build the skills, opportunities, and workforce Tonga needs for the future.